against Kenya in the World Cup. This is first against England here. Now he's decided to cut loose. Simple improvisation. Last ball of the innings. Looking to work it away on the onside, but this is a very good performance by India. Losing 3 early wickets, they bounce back to reach 2.
What a shot! It's MS Dhoni! No, it's not! It's Rashid Khan! In the slot, it is the MS Dhoni. Look at
What a shot! What was that? How did he get it there? How did he hit that full toss? What is that thing?
Oh, he's got under that cutting. That's big. That's big. That's home among the gum trees. 4 for 370. Ben Cutting.
He's flicked his wrist like MS Dhoni. Flick 6. The helicopter shot. MS Dhoni.